Like my shoes, guys.
Play with them.
Well, eu sigo nuk ti ta shpjegoj, por duket and try to laugh. Smile, smile, smile and try to laugh. Edhe këtu e shkruan smile, po ta shikoni. Mua më pëlqen shumë fare ky detaji i lëkurës që ka këtu, edhe ka edhe tek kjo pjesë.
어이구, 일단 요거는 양말이에요. 양말도 너무 귀여워. 딱 포인트 되게 이렇게 왔어요. 잘 신을 것 같아. 그리고 여기에 온 작은 거는 이거 줄이에요. 운동화 줄. 아니 이렇게만 봐도 벌써부터 뭔가 심상치 않죠. 뭔가 밧줄도 아니고. 그러면 과연 신발은 어떻게 생겼느냐. 선물 받은 거거든요. 이제 오더에서 선물 겸 보내주셨는데 너무 예쁜 거예요. 너무 예쁘다. 어머, 너무 예쁘죠? 이 디테일. 이게 앞볼이 짱 커요. 이렇게 앞볼이 짱 크고 요런 디자인인데 너무 독특하고 너무 예쁜 거예요. 보자마자
Запаковано все мега качественно и красиво. Здесь каждый кроссовок в своем отдельном мешочке, в котором можно и хранить, и перевозить. И вот такая вот коробочка, как раньше были пирожки, помните, тоже с логотипом Ouder Smile. Улыбнемся. И здесь дополнительные шнурки. Давайте распакуем, посмотрим, что же это за модель. Это вот такие вот кроссовки из денима. Деним — это сейчас тоже один из основных трендов. Очень модный материал и в одежде, и в обуви, и в аксессуарах. В принципе, он своих позиций не сдает никогда. Массивная такая подошва. Здесь тоже написано Smile. Смотрите, кстати, подошва здесь заклеена дополнительной защитой, и тоже везде написано Smile. В общем, очень весело, очень задорно, очень молодежно. Марка Ouder специализируется на дизайнерских сникерах и клогах на платформе, которые сочетают в себе элементы западной и восточной моды. И все сделано очень качественно. Я сейчас смотрю все швы.
Donc, ça, c'est des chaussures. Hein.
Voilà, donc ça, c'est. Je m'imaginais avec un embout plus fin au bout. Mais bon, ça, c'est pas mon style, hein, comme je vous disais.
Alors, moi, je dis
a voulu essayer.
Moi, je dis que ces chaussures se portent avec des pantalons un peu pas
voilà, large. Pamela, comme elle met des pantalons larges en bas, elle a dit bah, je veux ce modèle de chaussures, il me plaît. Donc voilà. Donc moi, j'ai accepté la collaboration pour Pamela.
Oui.
Donc, je pense que c'est toi qui vas les essayer.
Je vais les essayer.
Voilà. Tu vas les essayer en vidéo.
Ouais.
Donc voilà à quoi ça ressemble. Franchement, le modèle, il est original. Hein.
La semelle, elle est épaisse.
Elle est épaisse, donc pour quelqu'un qui aime ce genre de chaussures, c'est original. Voilà, faut aimer. Faut aimer, c'est original.
Voilà, c'est
en matière jean, et comme je vous disais...
c'est très épais, c'est pas un jean très fin.
Voilà.
À l'arrière, c'est très confortable, parce que au contrefort, le contrefort c'est derrière, tient bien le coup de pied. C'est ça qui est important dans la chaussure. Bon, ce ne sont pas des chaussures de marche. Moi, j'appelle ça plutôt des chaussures de loisirs, de ville. De ville. Voilà, on met ça, on sort, voilà.
Voilà. Si on veut être habillé un peu différemment des autres, voilà.
On aime bien
Donc c'est sûr qu'avec ces genres de chaussures, on passait pas inaperçu. Hein.
Ah oui, ça c'est sûr.
C'est pas les chaussures passe-partout, hein.
Non.
Voilà. Donc, comme vous le voyez sur le site, il y a différentes coloris, différents modèles. Je mettrai un screen à l'écran pour vous montrer. Donc, voilà. En dessous, donc, ils ont mis un film plastique. Je vais retirer.
Voilà. On va coller les doigts. Tac.
Donc, voilà en dessous. Et puis, Smile. Voilà.
Alors, en dessous, c'est caoutchouteux.
Ouais.
C'est antidérapant, ça. C'est bien. Ça m'a l'air bien.
Саше очень понравилась эта модель. Здесь дополнительно шли вот такие креативные шнурки. Можно заказать носочки. Необычная модель, но для детей, да и для взрослых, если вы любите такой стиль, это прямо the best. Они до такой степени креативные, и на сайте у этой марки есть различные модели. Они кажутся массивными. Они и есть массивные, как из мультика, но не тяжелые. И на самом деле он сегодня ушел в них в школу.
As soon as I got back, I received a parcel from Ouder and decided to unbox it. I've received the Smile Pioneer denim sneaker shoes, which are not only stylish, but designed with comfort in mind. Ouder has used premium denim material that's lightweight, durable, and breathable, making them perfect for everyday wear. These shoes are very cute and chunky, and even comes with extra laces, which in my opinion, gives a pop of color from the denim aesthetic. The white laces...
I won't be doing it. Contortion's hot. Over. These are the shoes. Yes. I love them. A little, yes. Alright. Let me just do it. Oh, look at this here. We got some, so that's what they look like. They have the big smile in front of the shoe, which is really cute. So far, let's see what they look like on my feet. Yes, I'm getting there. I struggle. I got my hair stuck on my hair.
And when you pull the sneaker out, you can see right away that these are not your ordinary sneakers, okay? Look at this really cool tip or toe on the sneaker. It's very round. It's almost like a cloud, okay? Now, the smile is what you see here, right? So Ouder Smile. And on the bottom of the shoe, it says smile, smile, smile. And it came with this little thin slip of plastic that was stuck on there to protect it. But I took it off so that I could style the shoes for the video. And what you see here is a transparent RB outer sole. It is a very unique sole. I've never seen anything like this. For all of their shoes, the materials are sourced from the same companies that provide supplies to Nike, Adidas, and all of the other top name brand sneakers. Now this shoe has some really cool details about it that I really want to point out. Back here we have this awesome little shoehorn, and actually it is a denim button that you can unhook and reattach. But if you leave it like this, it'll help you to pull your shoe onto the heel of your foot. It's a really neat detail. It definitely makes me think of a denim jacket or a pair of jeans, and I love the way that looks. As you can see, the laces on the pair of shoes is actually denim laces, but it did come with another pair of laces that are made out of hemp, and those are really gorgeous. I can't wait to share them with you. But I really love the design and what it looks like. The sides of the laces are slightly frayed, and it just looks really cool. It's definitely clear, even from a distance, that these sneakers are made from denim. And as you can see, there is the Ouder logo on the inside and outside of the shoe, which is really great. These shoes are made with a breathable mesh lining to keep your feet cool and fresh, and they are antibacterial, so that is really awesome. And my favorite thing about these shoes is that they have a memory foam sole. So when you want a really comfortable shoe, I definitely think that you should consider checking out Ouder shoes, because I'm sorry, but did you say memory foam? That sounds amazing. I absolutely cannot wait to really start walking the streets in these shoes. On the tongue of the shoe, you'll find that there is this waxed leather piece, and this is definitely reminiscent of something that you would find on.
I saw them on the side. Like, look at them. Tell me these are not some of the coolest shoes you've ever seen. But like, it was cool, but I didn't think it would look. I don't know why I thought that, but when it came though, madness. The shoes are mad. So good. Like, these shoes are genius. Absolutely brilliant. Look at, oh God, where do we start? Okay, let's start at the front. First of all, the detail. Get into it. You see, it's a smile right there. And there's this round, super curvy, unique design right at the front. So mad. And look at the laces, girl. Oh, these are so good. These are so good. These are some of the best quality denim shoes I've ever seen. Really good, okay? And the brand name right here, it says Ouder, super chic. And then you want to turn look at the sides. Ooh, it's just giving pure quality. And then look at the back of the shoes. It has this little, like, detail here. Like, the denim is denim, honey. Like, do you see that? There's a little button. It's just details and detail. The details are so intricate. It is madness. I'm sorry I keep saying that, but it is like pure genius. You know when something is so cool, it's mad? Yeah, that's how I feel about it. The shoes are so extremely good. I just can't. Anyway, so they stuffed the inside. I'm going to go right ahead and take that out. I already, like, undid it. Like, they had it nicely done. You know how shoes come. But I pulled it apart just to show you. Like, look at the lace. Everything is denim on denim on. Like, who did this? Like, we're going to need to get you a drink because you did some right here. You did your big one. You, like, this is so good. Like, this could go either way. If you're, like, a boring person, you may be like, not get it. But if you're a unique individual, if you're a person...
Oh,
my heart. First off, I did not own anything like this. It says smile right here. I did not own anything like this. It is so beautiful. Oh, they even covered it. I want to read the title. Oh, it just says smile, smile, smile. It came with the Ouder logo right here, and I think their initials at the top. It's so padded. It came with, okay, this is an extra shoelace, and this is the actual shoelace it came with. So I got mine in this denim. My heart, I love it, and I will definitely be styling this. So just really check out my YouTube shorts. I will be styling everything. Like, I'm already thinking of styles that will go with this shoe right now, and it's so pretty. It is well padded. It feels comfortable, like no hype whatsoever. This is like my honest review on this. It feels very comfortable. It feels like it's going to be warm inside, and it's fall already. So these are the times I need shoes like this, and it's going to be winter soon. I definitely need shoes like this. So thank you, Ouder.
I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I just like, it belongs to me. Like I said before, I just look like a pair of fresh glasses. Brand new set of glasses. Ooh, oh my gosh, these are laces. Wait, okay, each shoe is actually in a different little baggie here, but let's see, look at the laces, because I really see a cool design here. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Look at the laces. It looks like strands of hair, like braids. It looks so nice. Oh my god, you're right, it's so thick. Look how thick it is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Ouder, for sponsoring this video. Once again, go to the website, ouder.com. Links to that will be down below in the description box. You guys can also use our coupon code TBG for a great discount on your order. Once again, all that information will be down below in the description box. But yeah, like I was saying, these laces look amazing. There's 2 of them. Alright, so we're just going to take those out, leave them there. And now I think it's time we actually view the shoes. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, they look really big. Oh my gosh. Alright, guys. You guys are going to see it first.
Whoa.
Whoa? What? Oh my god! Wait, this is so
huge. Can you move with this? Can you walk?
Stop. I mean, I have shoes that are bigger, you know.
Yeah, that's true.
But this is amazing.
It's very beautiful.
I love the denim jean style, of course. But yeah, there's so many amazing options on their website. There's like a version of these that are like in black jean, like denim jean, which is also very cool. And a little
it's beautiful.
Wait, no
Actually,
way.
I've never seen a shoe like this before.
I told you their style.
Like a dress.
Yeah, it's so unique. Look at these little laces.
Wow, guys, you have to go check out the site and order yours.
Yes, but I love this because you can actually replace the laces if you're not like a fan of the denim laces. You can actually replace them with these. And then the back has like a pants button too. It looks so cool. Oh my gosh, and they're so big and chunky. Oh my gosh. Okay, this one has all of the the tags and stuff.
Can you look at the bottom?
The bottom?
Yeah.
I did see a smile, smile, smile. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Oh my gosh, I know I'm gonna get a lot of stares and compliments, but it's fun. I love wearing like shoes like this and just representing the style that I like really like and I'm really a big fan of. But they actually look so good. They look amazing, guys. Let us know. Literally, they're so nice. And then because of this material here, even though it's a light, like nice cream color, if it were to get dirty, like let's say you step in dirt or something or mud, I think with this material you can easily clean it off too, especially with the bottom too. The bottom is very nice. And the size, it just looks amazing. I love how Ouder is here printed on. It just looks amazing.
Where can I get it from?
Once again, guys, go to their website, ouder.com. Use our coupon code ASNOW. I had them that rained as the top for so long. I wore those like every other day. But now, these are definitely going to be rotating back and forth with those. But yeah, these are really nice. And they're really big too. And I like wearing big chunky socks, which is great because like socks obviously take up space in your shoe. So even if these were a bit oversized for me, having the socks on, it'd be perfect fit. Man, these are so nice. They look super comfortable too. It's very thick. Very, very thick. And then the laces, I'm probably not removing these, but even if something were to happen to them, maybe they get stained or if I have to wash them, then I'd replace them. But like I said, if you're not a fan of the denim material laces too, which obviously kind of matches everything, this would also go well. It matches obviously the bottom, so it'd be very nice to like put it on top and then it just matches the bottom, you know? That'd be very cool too. That'd be very interesting. Imagine having one shoe with this and then the other shoe with the denim jean one. That's very interesting. This looks amazing. So let us know down below in the comments what you guys think. Once again, go to their website, ouder.com. Use our coupon code for a great discount. This just looks so cool. And yeah, thank you so much, Ouder, for sponsoring this. So like I said before, guys, these shoes are actually part of their Smile, ouder-club.com, and see all of the options that they give you. Anyways, like I said, the Smile Canvas series, this is one of their signature series, like I said, and it features stylish and versatile sneakers. As you guys can see with this denim material, it's so versatile. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to put this on. It's gonna be so nice. So these shoes are known for their comfort and fashionable design. That's very good because they look amazing, they're comfortable. You definitely want shoes like that to be your go-tos. And they're available in a variety of colors. I did see so many colors. You guys can obviously check them out on their website.
colors and styles, including the popular white sneaker. So yeah, if you guys go to their website, ouder-club.com, you guys can actually see their 3 best sellers. This is actually one of them, which is very interesting because it is amazing, obviously, so it should be. But yeah, well, the first best seller is actually one of these like white pair of shoes with some like really nice sparkles. So you guys should definitely check them out. And yeah, these sneakers are perfect. The Smile Canvas Series sneakers are perfect for casual wear, and they make a strong fashion statement. I think I really like that. I like making a strong fashion statement, like to know like this is the type of clothes that I enjoy, the type of clothes that I wear. And yeah, I don't really care what you think, I'll wear this, you know? So yeah, these shoes make a very strong fashion statement, as you guys can see. But the next series that they have is the Platform Clog series. These shoes are designed for both comfort and style. As you guys can see, they are very chunky. They kind of look like, I think Crocs was it? So yeah, but they're probably much more comfortable. They look amazing. But they include platform slippers and clog sandals, which are great for those who want to add a bit of height and style without sacrificing comfort. Oh, it's very interesting. It adds height to your design too, which is very nice. Some people obviously want to look taller, so that'd be nice. Maybe even if your pants are too long, having a pair of shoes that are like taller would definitely help them fit better. And the clogs come in several designs suitable for different tastes and occasions. So, as you guys can see from the pictures, there are so many different types, so many different colors, but they're very, very colorful and they're very nice. I think with like all of their colors, they can definitely match any outfit you're wearing, so you guys should definitely obviously get what you want. Once again, go to their website, ouder-club.com. The next series is their Mary Jane series. I'm sure everyone has heard of Mary Jane shoes. They all look amazing whenever you search them up. They look very pretty and very nice. But yeah, they have a Mary Jane collection, which is very nice, which says where Gothic elegance meets modern comfort. Very nice, but I feel like anyone should have a pair of Mary Jane shoes in their closet. Like, let's say like they're your go-to for formal wear or something. So yeah, and you obviously want it to be comfortable. It says it's crafted with intricate details, and these shoes often offer both style and ergonomic design, which is very nice. So once again, let us know down in the comments what you guys think. Obviously, like I said, there's tons of fashion you guys can wear this from Y2K to K-style to streetwear, which is most important because I feel like a lot of people are definitely getting these shoes for streetwear, which is feel like their signature style. So yeah, Y2K, streetwear, minimalist, K-fashion, and so much more. Once again, go to the website, ouder-club.com. Also use our coupon code TB for a great discount on your order, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry.